Hi, this is Stephen, and today we're going to practice the dark L sound. Now, this is one of the things that's very distinctive about English, the dark L, la. And this is what happens if the letter L or the letters LL come after a vowel sound or between two vowel sounds. We pronounce a dark L, la. And how do you do that? You touch the tip of your tongue behind your teeth, but the back of your tongue is going to be raised higher in the back of your mouth. Put those two together and you have the sound la. Now, if I pronounce what we call the light L in words like Allan, April, Bailey, and Bill, you'll hear it sound like this: Allan, April, Bailey, Bill. See how I have an accent? I have a foreign accent when I say it with a light L. That's what you want to avoid. You want to pronounce these words with the L, dark L sound. The key is really to have the back of your tongue high in your mouth. That gives you the distinctive L sound. So we're going to practice the dark L in words, and then we're going to practice it in sentences. So listen and repeat. Allan, April, Bailey, Bill, celebrity, ceiling, cola, collect, collection, confidential, control, dealer, dollar, Eileen, Elaine, election, electric, essential, fall, family, finalist, girl, goal, help, install, jail, July, killer, meal, middle, politician, potential, real, retail, reveal, sale, tailor. Now let's take all of these words and put them together into sentences. That's where you can really practice the dark L sound. Keep the back of your tongue high in your mouth to give it the dark color that you need for this sound. All right, so let's practice. Repeat after me. Allan Bailey's killer got paroled from jail in the middle of July. Allan Bailey's killer got paroled from jail in the middle of July. Eileen's youngest girl drinks either milk or cola at every meal. Eileen's youngest girl drinks either milk or cola at every meal. Installing solar ceiling panels can help control your electric bill. Installing solar ceiling panels can help control your electric bill. The politician hopes to collect millions of dollars before the April election. The politician hopes to collect millions of dollars before the April election. Elaine Taylor has real potential to become a finalist on Celebrity Family Feud. Elaine Taylor has real potential to become a finalist on Celebrity Family Feud. The dealer revealed confidential information about the collection. The dealer revealed confidential information about the collection. Improving retail sales this fall will be essential to achieving our goal. Improving retail sales this fall will be essential in improving our goal, in achieving our goal. Let me say that again. Improving retail sales this fall will be essential in achieving our goal. And speaking of achieving goals, learning how to pronounce the dark L correctly is an important step in learning how to pronounce it right.